This week, I want to show you this incredible historical mansion near Washington Park in Portland, Oregon. This is Pittock Mansion. Perched in the West Hills of Portland, this grand estate was built in 1914, and it's a must-see during your visit to Portland, Oregon. The mansion opens at 10 a.m. every day except for Tuesdays when it opens at noon. Tickets are $15.50 for adults, $11.50 for youth, and free for ages 6 and under, and you do have to pay to park here. It's just a couple of dollars an hour. This property is 16,437 square feet with 23 rooms, including 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. It was designed by prominent local architects Edward Fulks and Albert E. Doyle, and it cost over $300,000 to build at the time, which is equivalent to about $8 million today. This house was the home of Henry and Georgiana Pittock. Henry Pittock was best known as being a successful newspaper publisher for the Oregonian, but he also built a financial empire by investing in real estate, banking, railroads, steamboats, sheep ranching, silver mining, and the paper industry. He did a little bit of everything. Now, this house has many volunteers stationed around the house that will tell you lots about the property. And the guide that we visited with let us know all the special touches that were put on this house for his wife. It has ornate woodwork, carved fireplaces, Alaskan marble, and vintage light fixtures. And it originally sat on 46 acres of landscape grounds and gardens. It is so beautiful. This house was designed with immaculate views from all angles. Every window in this house has a spectacular view. And here in the kitchen, you can even take home a recipe. This here's the original flooring that was preserved just like an intricate puzzle. Now we're going to venture upstairs to check out the bedrooms. This house brings back fond memories of Downton Abbey. Did you guys watch that show? I absolutely loved it. Kate Pittock was the eldest daughter of Henry and Georgiana. And in 1907, her first husband died of tuberculosis. Back in those days, medical wisdom called for fresh air and sunshine, so these rooms were called a sleeping porch. It provided good air circulation and shelter from the rain. Just take a close look at these bedspreads. Did your family have any like these? Mine did. It was typical in this time period for wealthy couples to have separate bedrooms for the husband and wife. This was Georgiana's bedroom. Henry and Georgiana moved into this house with 8 other family members, and sadly, they only lived here for 4 years before they died. The remaining members of the family lived here until 1958 when they put it up for sale. After sitting vacant for 4 years, it was hit by a terrible storm in 1962 with hurricane-force winds. It caused major damage to the home's roof and windows, allowing water to infiltrate. Developers started eyeing this property for a subdivision, but luckily, dedicated citizens of Portland raised the money to save this property and have it turned into a museum. Oh my gosh, look at this closet. There's another structure on the property to take a look at, and this is called the Gate Lodge. This home was the primary residence for the groundskeeper and his family who maintained the estate. Then once you leave this building, you can walk out to a fantastic viewpoint overlooking the city of Portland. If you're interested in more related to the history of Portland, the Oregon Historical Society is located right here in downtown Portland. We also found this historical staircase inside the Benson Hotel with an incredible collection of historical photographs from Portland. There's so much to see and do around Portland. If you're interested in some other videos with some great ideas such as Washington Park or Multnomah Falls, you're going to want to check out these videos right here.